channel. I got this idea today to make a slow drip for cold brew coffee. I'm just gonna try and cut this bottle and fit this in there. Alright, it's cut. It has to fit in snug, so let's see. Push it in. Alright, it's not really fitting in, so I'm gonna add some boiling water. Alright, I've had to use a different type of bottle. I put boiling water, so now it's this filter has fit in snug in the. Right, added coffee. Let's test it out now. Alright, we'll give it a few hours. Doesn't seem like anything is coming out yet. It's working. Alright, that's done. We're gonna give it a taste test. Actually, it tastes good, less acidic. It's awesome. So I'm gonna use this more often. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.